This new Kubota M7-153 has just landed in the gate at Clarkson Cavan. This is a fully spec tractor, complete with a front linkage and a double acting spool valve on the front. Complete with front axle suspension, a 10-piece LED light kit. This tractor is spec'd out with the wide 540 wheels on the front and 650 Trelleborg wheels on the back. It has external PTO and linkage controls and a very high spec rear end on the tractor, which consists of a Dromone push-out hitch, air brakes, also isobus plug-ins, load sensing and a 110 litre per minute hydraulic pump. Here is the fuel tanks for the diesel and AdBlue. Also equipped with a spacious interior and high visibility cab. All the controls are at an arm's length and also has a 7-inch screen that shows all the data from your day in the cab. In terms of the engine itself, it's 150 horsepower with a 20 horsepower automatic boost, which kicks in when the power is needed.